I think Patty has a cousin that has came to visit for the holidays. Go girl, go girl. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by KlaiyiHair. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the install of this unit as well as going over some of my favorite products to use for a flawless, beginner-friendly meltdown, okay? And that's with no bleach. You guys know I don't bleach nothing but my whites. I also did a wrap on my unit, so we will be taking that down together. That's why I still have my scarf on. The timestamps for this video will be listed down below so you guys can check those out. But before we get into all that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from KlaiyiHair. It is their 9A straight short bob. It comes in a natural color, and the starting price for this unit is $94.20. Now, depending on the specs you get for your unit, the price will go up. This unit only comes in a 13x4 lace parting area. You can choose your length, so 8, 10, 12, or 14 inches. And you can also choose your density, so 130 or 150% density. I got my unit in the longest length possible, which is 14 inches, and I also got 150% density. And my unit is $144.30. I do have a $10 coupon code that will be listed down below, so make sure you guys use that joint to save your coin on your unit. Now, let's go ahead and talk about some products that I use that I feel are a necessity to use for a beginner-friendly meltdown. So the first thing you saw me use under my lace was my foundation powder. This is a pressed powder that I got from Walmart. It is my Fit Me pressed powder in 360 Mocha. I use that under all of my units just to try to conceal my knots as much as possible, because I do not like bleaching nothing, okay? And I use the same color that I would use for my foundation for the exact same brand. It definitely helps for me, and it starts that blend-in process. Definitely wear the unit glueless. However, I wanted mine to be melted down, so I use my tried and true Got to Be freeze spray. Now this is not a glue, even though it says got to be glued. Okay, it's not a glue. It's a definite holding spray, so it holds the hair in place. You can use that product under your lace or over your lace. I like to do a combination of both. Now for a thicker lace or a lace that has bigger grids, more than likely on the sides here, I will spray under my lace to make sure it gets put down properly. But for a unit like this one where the lace is super soft and I knew that it was going to be blendable out the gate, I just went on top of the lace and sprayed her down, and she was bomb. I've also seen people use other hairsprays, so like the Pump It Up or the Hard Head Bed Head spray. So yes, have your Got to Be freeze spray on hand to put your unit on. Next up, I say you need to have your foundation. If you don't wear makeup, there's still ways to blend your unit down. For a melt that I want is, I would say do your makeup after you do your put down. So after you spray your unit down, get your lace all right, then you go in when you do your foundation with your sponge, or in this case I used my brush and I went in on top of that lace to blend in my makeup and my lace together. When you have a good lace, that blend will be seamless. Okay, seamless. You guys have seen me do it before on my channel. You've also seen it when it's been a little janky. Okay, y'all seen it. The foundation that I use on my face, I've been using it for over a year now, is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the color D50. It's not super heavy and I like it. Okay, after you do all that, you can go on with your edge booster or your mousse to do your baby hairs if you choose to. By Even, this is one that I got from Amazon, is the family size one. It gives a really nice hold and I really like how it looks on my hairline. It doesn't cake up or nothing, so I'm here for this one. If I wanted to use more of like, you know, a wispy look and not such a strong hold, I would use my Nairobi foaming lotion. I swear by this stuff. I have been using it for over a year now. Really like how it just holds the hair. It dries down really nice, so I would definitely say check this mousse out if you have not already. And then after you style your hair, you want to get rid of any type of flyaways or, you know, hold your hair in place or your curls in place. You want to use a hairspray that is very lightweight, however has a strong hold. And I have found that the Garnier Fructis Full Control Hairspray has a very lightweight mist, but it does hold really well. Okay, so enough chit chatting about that. Let's go ahead and take this wrap out and see if she actually worked out. I do got Big Bertha on deck just in case I gotta, you know, pop some more curls in her. Let us take this off. Okay, these right here are my edges. Okay, that is all me right here. I just use my even edge control and slick them joints back up into that lace. Now the unit does come pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck it for, you know, myself or whatever. Put our glasses on real quick to make sure she is good to go. Man, that look good. That looks pretty dang good, if I must say so myself. So let's take these bobby pins out. Okay, so I wrapped it that way, so I'm just gonna unwrap it the same way. The hair feels very lightweight. It moves really nice. Like, okay, I'm not mad at this, y'all. I am not mad at this at all. I am going to add some more curls right here in the front though, just to give the hair a little bit of body. Okay, so that is pretty much it, you guys. No shedding or tangling with this unit. Also, if you are someone who doesn't wear makeup or doesn't want to wear a lot of makeup to be able to melt your unit down, you don't need makeup to melt your unit down. You basically just use the powder product. So for my unit, instead of using the liquid foundation after I did my foundation for my actual makeup, I would actually go back in with my pressed powder to go over top of that lace. And I've used the exact same brush that I used to apply this pressed powder under the lace on the top of the lace. And then sometimes you will have to go in and color correct your lace if your lace is still a little bit too ashy, which I have had on my channel numerous times. So I just go in with the contour shade for my Black Radiance medium to dark palette, and I go in with a brush. I'm gonna show you right now, and I basically just go on top of that lace like that. Melt that lace in even more. I feel like it looks really good. I do feel like the wrap helped it to kind of sleek the hair a little bit more, so I didn't have, you know, as many bumps and stuff. It actually made the front lay a little bit flatter as well. So I feel like this looks really good, and for the price point, I'm impressed. Like, y'all, she giving me, does Patty have a cousin? Does Patty have a cousin? Y'all remember Patty? If you're an old WigBae on my channel, then you know who Patty is, okay? I think Patty has a cousin that has came to visit for the holidays. She about to make Patty mad. Go girl, go girl. Oh, look, she got silk press and everything. Okay. She looking real good, y'all. She looking real good. That wrap did her justice. It gave me just enough bounce in my step. But that's all I got for you guys today. Every product that I showcase in this video will be listed down below, so you guys can check them out if you want to. I will also put the direct link for this unit as well as my specs down below, so you guys can check that out as well. Shout out one more time to KlaiyiHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.